If you're ready to start a membership and finally create consistent monthly income with your existing audience, this video is for you. I'm breaking down everything you need to know about memberships and how you can build and grow your own membership community so you can generate recurring revenue, deepen your connection with your existing audience, and finally have predictable income every single month. So let's dive in. Now, first of all, what is a membership and why would you want to start one? So basically, a membership is simply a space where people pay you monthly to access something valuable, whether that is exclusive content, tools, coaching, or even just a supportive community where they can grow alongside each other. So think of it like building your own little ecosystem online, a place where your audience keeps coming back to because it helps them reach a goal or solve a problem over time. Now, here's the key difference between a membership and a course. So a course usually has a clear start and finish where you teach something, people complete it, and that's basically it. A membership, on the other hand, grows with your people, where you're adding new content, conversations, and value every single month, which means your income can grow too. And the best part, it gives you predictable recurring revenue instead of starting from zero every single month trying to make new sales. It also helps you build deeper relationships with your audience because you're not just showing up once and then disappearing. Instead, you're creating an ongoing experience that positions you as a trusted leader in your niche. And once that foundation is in place, it's one of the easiest offers to scale, and you could add new members without doubling your workload. I like to think of it as your own version of Netflix, where people stay because they're consistently getting something new, something that keeps them inspired, educated, or entertained. Now, the first real step to starting your membership is defining who it's going to be for, meaning who is your audience and what is their goal or goals. Now, this might already be super clear if you've been creating content or working with clients for a while, but if you're starting from scratch or don't have a big following yet, that's totally fine too. Now, usually it is the easiest to bring people from your existing ecosystem, maybe your followers, email list, or past clients into your membership, because these are people who already trust you and would love ongoing support. But the first thing that you need to ask yourself is, who am I actually serving? So maybe it's social media managers who want systems and steady clients, or UGC creators who want to land paid brand deals consistently, or stay-at-home moms who want to build flexible income online. Now, once you know who they are, you can figure out the main transformation your membership helps them achieve. Because here is the thing, people don't pay for access, they pay for results. So you need to get clear on what problem they're facing right now and what result they'll have after being part of your membership for a few months. Maybe it's more clients or more consistency or more confidence. Whatever that is, that's what you'll build your offer around. Now, this clarity is everything as it shapes your messaging, your marketing, and even the type of content that you include inside your membership. Now, if you want to make it a more collaborative effort, you can definitely talk to your community as well. You can use things like Instagram polls, surveys, or Q&As to ask what they're struggling with and what kind of support they actually want. Now, when you let your audience help you build it, you're not guessing, you're creating something that you already know that they'll buy. Now that you know who your membership is for and what the goal is that you want to help them reach, it's time to actually build your offer. Now, this is where you decide what your members will get each month and how you'll deliver it. But first, you'll choose your model. You can go passive, active, or a mix of both. A passive membership might include things like a content library, templates, pre-recorded trainings, or digital resources that members can access anytime. An active membership means you're more hands-on, so hosting live Q&As, group coaching sessions, monthly calls, or even community events. And the one that I would recommend is the hybrid model, which is a mix of both. You can have automated resources that run on their own, plus live touch points that keep people engaged and connected. The biggest mistake I see people make though is trying to do too much too soon. So you just want to start simple. Your first members are there for the transformation, not the amount of content. So maybe it's one monthly training paired with a small but growing content library. That is literally enough to deliver real value without overwhelming yourself or your members. Now, next you want to do a little bit of market research. You want to look at what other memberships in your niche are offering and just write down what you like, what you don't, and how you could make yours different. The goal isn't to copy, it's to differentiate and see how you can add your own knowledge and your own value. Now, as your membership grows, your audience will probably tell you what they find most valuable. So for some, it's access to you and your expertise. For others, it's community, a place to connect and stay accountable and share wins. And some people just want clarity, a clear path or roadmap that keeps them on track, and almost everyone appreciates simplicity. So they want something easy to follow and easy to stay consistent with. Now, my biggest tip here is to underpromise and overdeliver. Start lean, keep it manageable, and then add new features or tiers as your community grows. That's how you build something that lasts. Now that you know what your membership offer will look like, the next step is picking your platform, the home or the hub for your content, your community, and everything that your members will access. I'm really excited to be partnering with Go High Level on this video because it's honestly one of the most powerful all-in-one tools for running a membership. Now with Go High Level, you can do everything in one place. You can build a professional website, host membership content, run email marketing campaigns, create automations, and even sell digital products. Now that means that you don't have to juggle 5 different tools just to keep your membership up and running smoothly. One of my favorite features is the built-in community aspect, where your members can interact, ask questions, and engage with each other without needing another platform. Plus, you can even get a branded app so your members can access everything right from their phones. It makes your membership feel polished and professional from day one. Grow High Level is perfect for beginners because it's all under one roof, but it's also scalable as your membership grows. Now you can start simple and add automations, funnels, or digital products as you expand. And while it does have a slight learning curve, Grow High Level's team is always on deck to answer any of your questions. And if you're curious to see it in action, I've linked a free 14-day trial below so you can explore the platform yourself and see if it's the right fit for your membership. Now, of course, there are other options like Kajabi, Circle, or School, but what I love about Grow High Level is that it's truly a complete system where your website, your membership, your marketing is all in one place. It just makes running your membership so much simpler. Now, once you've established which platform you want to host your membership on, the next step is pricing a membership. So first you want to do a little bit of market research on this. You want to look at what other people in your niche are charging for similar memberships. This will just give you a sense of what your audience expects. Then you want to think about your costs. So you want to ask yourself the following questions. How much does this platform cost to run my membership? How much time am I spending creating content or going live? And are there any other tools or software that I need to provide value? For example, let's say your monthly expenses like your platform, tools, your time come out to $1,000, and then you want to make $1,000 in profit. That means your membership needs to bring in $2,000 total. So depending on your price point, that could mean 20 members paying $100 a month or 50 members paying $40 a month. Both work. It's just about finding a balance between value and accessibility. A great way to get people in the beginning is to start with a founding member price, where you offer a lower price for your first early members. This helps you validate your idea, build testimonials, and get real feedback from your audience before raising the price later. Now just remember, pricing isn't just about covering costs, it's also about reflecting the value that you're delivering. Your members are investing in results, transformation, and in the community that you're building. So now you have your membership built and priced, it's time for the exciting part, which is launching and growing it. One of the best strategies is to document the entire process publicly. You can share polls, updates, and behind the scenes on your Instagram stories, YouTube community posts, or even on Threads. You can also ask your audience things like, what would you love to see inside this membership? Because this not only gives you insights, but also gets people excited before you even open the doors. People love being part of something from the start, so it's really important to try to build that hype. Show sneak peeks of what's coming and make it feel exclusive. Create a little FOMO, for example. You might want to say things like doors are closing soon, or founding members get lifetime access. In terms of content strategy for growth, it may take time to see what content resonates, but more importantly, you want to make evergreen videos that teach a part of what your membership is going to deliver. Now, this will position you as an expert and give people a taste of the value inside. Then use a clear call to action that points to your membership as the next step. For example, you could post a video like how to land brand deals as a beginner. Then you can follow up with something like, inside my membership, I give you templates and pitch examples that actually get replies. You might be teaching for free, but showing the real results that come from being inside of your community. Small things like this really motivate people to join early. And more importantly, you'll want to keep marketing your membership even after the launch. Growth doesn't stop once the doors are open. You want to treat your membership like a living product by adding new content, listening to members' feedback, and continuously showing up publicly. The more visible and active you are, the more people will want to join in. Now, another thing that I want to touch on that often gets a little overlooked is retaining and scaling your membership. Launching is exciting, but keeping members engaged month after month is what really creates long-term success and recurring income. So some great ways to keep your members engaged is with monthly themes or challenges. When you give them something new to focus on each month, it keeps your content fresh and your community active. It's also important to recognize wins and milestones inside your membership. Things like member shoutouts, success stories, or small celebrations go a long way, making people feel seen and appreciated. Another important thing is to always ask for feedback. So you'll want to run quick surveys or polls to find out what's helping and what's missing. This not only improves your membership, but also makes your members feel like they're part of shaping it. Once you have a loyal fan base, you can think about upselling with tiers or premium access. Maybe it's one-on-one coaching or exclusive workshops or deeper content. You really just want to give members ways to invest more as they grow. Another thing is to refine your onboarding system. So when new members do join, you can make them feel welcome immediately with an easy to follow setup, orientation emails, or an introductory video. The faster they feel at home, the more likely they are to stick around. Retention and scaling is all about engagement, recognition, feedback, and creating a system that grows with your community. So if you focus on these things, your membership isn't just a product, it's a thriving, self-sustaining ecosystem. So as you can see, building a membership isn't just about having a massive audience or chasing one-time sales. It's about solving a real problem for your people and delivering value consistently. Now that's what keeps members coming back month after month. And the best part, once you do set it up, it can become a recurring source of income that grows alongside your community. And yes, it's completely doable even if you're just starting out. So if you're ready to take the leap and start your membership today, grab the 14-day free trial for Go High Level linked below and explore the platform, set up your membership, and start creating a community that not only serves your audience, but also builds predictable income. As always, if you did love this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and share it with a friend, and hit the bell notification so you never miss a video from me. Thanks so much for watching, and keep building your dream.